Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show another small Amazon order that came in that has an item that I've been wanting forever. Well, to buy. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I have an item and a painting, because I always have to get a painting. The item I bought that I've been wanting forever and a day, as the saying goes, is an ARTDOT storage. And it's those wonderful little drawers that some of y'all have probably seen before. I've seen other diamond painters use them. So I've been wanting to buy them forever. And I was able to save up a bit and buy a 2 set, because it came in 2s. I wasn't too sure if it came in 1, but that's alright. 2 is perfect enough, because I'm going to use this to store my spare special diamonds, as in the ABs, fairy dust, and all of that. So I haven't opened the box, so I'm not too sure what's in it. I could already tell these are little labels. And I think on this side is just a little, oh, it's the little card that you slide into the drawers. So this isn't a product review or anything like that. I purchased this with my own money, because as I said, I've been wanting these drawers forever. And I actually have to take it off camera, because I have to put it on my lap real quick. And here you go. I've seen what they look like when they already, diamond painters already do their setup of the way they want to have the storage drawers. So it's kind of neat. That's what it looks like. It's new. It's cool. Comes with a little funnel. Forgot what the word was. And these little cards are the ones you actually slide here, that you can label on wherever you want to be, as in, special diamonds, the brand, and all of that. I really do love that these little cards are there, because, I'm really big in organizing, so I love that it includes that. I'm making sure it's on camera, and there we go. I really wanted to make sure that they were little tube storage, and I purchased one before from Temu, but unfortunately they didn't offer any tube storage ones. They offered the little Tic Tac boxes, and I'm not a excuse me, I'm not a big fan of those. So I've been wanting the ARTDOT ones forever, and I love ARTDOT tubes, as you've all probably seen, especially a lot of my returning viewers. Sorry, I love the tube storage. I have a lot of ARTDOT storage, and that's because I'm a big fan of it. As I said, it's a 2 set, so you can just pull the drawer, do what you need to do to organize, set everything up with your storage, and then you can just slide it back in. Easy peasy, nothing to worry about. And the bottom one as well. It has all of the tubes. This, I believe, is 60 count, I think. So that's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 60. Sorry, I'm trying to do the math in my head, but I was trying to remember what it said in the description. And yeah, I was such a huge fan of it, and I was just so excited. And I just really love these little, you can, I believe, slide them off, so you can disconnect them, as you can see, and you can stack them if you buy more than 2. And you can slide it back, and you can stack them either vertically or horizontally, which I'm a big fan of. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. Oh my goodness, I really love how the drawers just come out with no issue. Apologies, it's gonna bug me. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 4 is 16, 32, I believe. Goodness, my apologies. I should not do math when I am recording. So let's do it by rows. It's actually easier. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So if it's 2 32s, it's 60. Yeah, it is 64. Huh, I thought for sure it's an even 60. I need to relook at the order. I mean, I'm not complaining. More tubes and more tubes. And mostly, I wanted to make sure I can do math. Sorry, that's a little embarrassing. It's like, Rosie, you're really off. It's been a long day. That's my defense. I'm sticking to it. And I really do love these. And they're so small. And my desk has limited space, but I know I can make them fit perfectly in my shelves. And I'm going to make sure to move all of my special diamonds that I have, put them in all of these little... Oh, apologies. Sorry about that. Man, that plane took really, really long to leave. You can probably see a little bit of it just, landing, I believe. And yeah, I do have special drills saved, but not that many. But this kind of encourages me that I really need to finish more paintings so I can save all the drills. So I just really wanted to make sure to show this, and I said I'll put information about this in the description below, just in case this little storage is to your liking as well. Oh my goodness, I really love this. So I also have a diamond painting. I'm going to move this aside real quick, which I'm not too sure if I have it in the room. Give me one moment. I think it might be. Oh, apologies for that. And, oh, I want to use the labels. It is this. Oh my goodness, I love this painting when I first saw it on the Amazon site. And it was discounted, so that's why I really wanted to pick it up. And mostly because I love paintings that have the stained glass image. Apologies for the crinkly noise. And I'm just pulling everything out real quick. And the canvases, even if you, no matter where you buy them, they always have the standard setup. Your diamonds and your standard tray. And this tray is a little bit fancier. Actually, from my other Amazon haul, I saw that the tray is kind of the same. So I think it might be the same seller. I didn't notice that. I just really, really love the painting. Has your standard tray, the wax, which I really love this clear one, and the grip for the pen. As you can see, it has two pens with, I believe it's a 9-placer and a single placer on this side. It also has a straightener. I love the little pens because they're glittery, and I really love that. And I just really love this wax. Yay! I love light colored wax. It dries clear when you use it. And these are diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love all of these colors. They're beautiful jewel tones. And I love the blues, the purples. They're really nice. Kind of brick red. Mostly I love the blues. And on the other side as well. Ooh, I love that teal. Oh, this is so pretty. I love whenever they put the diamonds, I believe, inside of my other painting. I love when they put it just flat. They don't have them kind of... Usually they're packaged like this from other paintings I've opened, but I really love when they do that. And let me move these aside real quick. And this is the painting. It is a stained glass rose. And when I first saw it, they had different options for the price they were promoting for the sale. As I said, I love any stained glass paintings. And oh my goodness, I just love that it was a rose. So win-win. Flowers and stained glass. I'm not complaining. And as you can see, it has a little crease from the fold, but it's alright. I put all my paintings in a portfolio. So since it takes a while before I can actually work on the painting, the crease actually disappears after a while. So I have no issues with that. I know some diamond painters aren't a fan of the big, large crease in the middle, but I'm alright with it. And so some information about the painting. It is WX7977 and is a 30 by 40, and it includes 25 colors. And they do the favorite thing I love with legends. There is one on the top left and one in the lower right. As I probably said before, I spin my paintings when I'm painting. So mostly I'd be just turning them this way or putting them upside down. That's what I mean by spinning. It also includes a little thumbnail of the painting here on the top part. And, oh, this one only has one. I had another painting that had two, but this is fine. As long as I can see the little thumbnail, I use it to compare colors when I'm painting. And for the legend, from the numbers 1 through 8, they are numerical order. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 25, they are capitalized letters, and they're kind of in order. So A, C, D, and all of that. A, C, D, sorry. And so... I love the drill field. As you can see, it is really, really clear with the blues, the roses, even the lining of the window. Oh my goodness, it is really, really clear. And I don't have an issue seeing the colors, because since it's kind of a darker tone, the darker colors have a lighter kind of a white coloring, as you can see some of the letters here in this part of the blue. And the lighter part, which is kind of the roses, is kind of a black font, which I'm really, really a fan of, because I wouldn't really need a light pad to work on this painting. I was kind of worried I might need to since it's a darker painting, but oh my goodness, it is so pretty. It's so clear. And I've been purchasing larger paintings, so I was so excited that this 30 by 40 was on sale. And as I said, I purchased all of this with my own money. This isn't a product review or anything like that. I just noticed I need to buy some more paintings from Amazon, because they've been having a lot more sales, especially with diamond paintings. Like really, really discounted. And for 30 by 40, I think it's a good deal for me. And as I said, I'll put all the information of this in the description below, in case anything I showed of the two items is to your liking as well. And I do have one more Amazon order coming in. They're diamond paintings, y'all. It's always diamond paintings. So that's all I wanted to show today. So again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. It really helps put my channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.